In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select, edit the boundary, and change the type of a filled region in Revit. Filled regions are perfect for showing hatch patterns, masks, or solid fills in your views, and mastering a few core commands will make them quick and predictable to work with. Let's start by selecting the filled region you want to modify. In your view, move your cursor over the region until it highlights, then click to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted and its properties appear. If something else highlights first, adjust your cursor slightly until the right region is clearly outlined. With the filled region selected, it's time to edit the boundary sketch. On the ribbon, click Edit Boundary. This switches the view into sketch mode so you can define the exact shape of the region. Along the top, you'll see familiar drawing tools like line, rectangle, arc, and pick lines. Use line to draw straight segments, rectangle for clean right-angled shapes, arc for curves, and pick lines when you want to trace existing edges in the view for a precise fit. As you draw, aim for a closed loop with clean connections. The region won't finish if there are gaps or overlapping segments. Take a moment to zoom in where lines meet to make sure corners are connected and the outline is continuous. When you're satisfied with the shape, click the green check mark to apply the changes. The model will update and you'll see the filled region take on the new boundary immediately. Next, let's change the filled region type to control how it looks. With the region still selected in the view, go to the Properties palette. Find the Type selector and choose another filled region type such as solid fill, crosshatch, or diagonal. Each type defines the graphic appearance of the region, including the pattern style and how it reads against your drawing. As soon as you pick a different type, the region updates in the view so you can confirm it matches your documentation standards and remains legible at your current scale. If you're comparing options, switch types and take a quick look at how they interact with surrounding line work to ensure clarity. That's it. You've selected a filled region, edited its boundary with the drawing tools, and changed its type from the Properties palette. Practice these moves a few times